When you're entertaining, nothing could be easier. You're gonna have people fighting over these. Christmas isn't just once a year. It'll be all year round once you taste this. Cocktail sausages with some delicious honey and some ginger. I came across this years ago and it's one of my go-to things when we've got some people just turn up unexpectedly. This now, you throw it into an air fryer, it's gonna make your life a lot easier. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Baking paper has a form, yeah? So you wanna give it a scrunch and then it will hold the shape that you wanna do. Now, Granby don't sell these unless you go to the shop. So go get a bit of history and meet up with Granby and get a couple of bags of these amazing, easy cook cocktail sausages. Always put in extra because people are gonna love these. Bang it in, I'm gonna give them 10 minutes. And then halfway through, I'm gonna put in the honey and I'm gonna put in the ginger. So getting into the swing of it now. Yeah. Right, so we're gonna check the sausages. They're looking nice and lovely. Because they're pre-cooked, this is gonna happen a lot quicker. You put a nice amount of ginger, give them a little bit of a stir, and then the honey. 2 spoons, be enough for this. So I've been cooking the sausages on 170. Now I put the honey and the ginger in, I'll put it up to 200, put it in for another 5 minutes. Sausages are ready. If you wanna jazz them up a little bit, we've got some sesame seeds. Yeah, what's that?